Corpbiz.
A very warm welcome to all my viewers. In this video, I will tell you all about Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Circular on Class A and B medical devices under licensing regime. The Government of India, Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, that is CDSCO, and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have issued a circular on regulation of Class A and B medical devices under licensing regime on 30th September 2022. This circular is in reference to the notification G.S.R. 102 subclause E dated 11th February 2020, that is commonly known as Medical Devices Amendment Rules 2020, where it is mentioned that such medical devices will be under the licensing regime from 1st October 2022. Circular on Class A and B medical devices under licensing regime has been issued on 30th September 2022 by the Government of India and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in order to regulate all the medical devices mentioned under the G.S.R. 102 subclause E, where it was stated that the classes A and B medical devices would be under licensing regime from 1st October 2022. It states that in the meantime, many representation from different association and stakeholders have been received, where they have requested that the continuing business must not be disrupted due to the implementation of this Class A and B medical devices under licensing regime with effect to 1st October 2022. And considering the same, it is decided that if an importer or manufacturer who is already importing or manufacturing any Class A and B medical device and has submitted an application for the same to the Central Licensing Authority or State Licensing Authority on or before 30th September 2022 under the provision of Medical Device Rule 2017. Then the said application is deemed valid and the importer or manufacturer can continue to import or manufacture such a medical device for more 6 months from the date of issue of the order or till the time the central or state licensing authority takes a decision on the same application, whichever is earlier. Grace period for Class A and B medical devices under licensing regime. The circular released on 30th September 2022 provides a grace period for an import license to all non-regulatory Class A and B medical devices. This circular came a day before the deadline outlined in the notification G.S.R. 102 subclause E of 11th February 2022, which states that all Class A and B medical devices must have an import license before importation into India. Considering the new circular related to Class A and B devices under licensing regime, this grace period ensures that the non-regulatory Class A and B medical devices that are presently registered and have a pending import license application as of 30th September 2022 can be imported and marketed for another 6 months while such applications are reviewed. The Class A and B medical devices under licensing regime was supposed to be done from 1st October 2022. However, the grace period has given additional time to the manufacturer of such medical devices to obtain their import licenses. It has been done to ensure no interruption to medical imports in India. Thank you. That's it in this video. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel.